Pull the two pieces of tape out and get the poly set where it needs to be. Don't press it in, and then just once it's set where it's supposed to be, just pull the tape out, and then you stick it.
Stop it there, because in the next panel will go on.
Uh-oh. Got pop there. Hold.
Don't push it down.
It's easier with two people.
I know. I tried not to say that to Jack.
Now I'll do this side first.
See, and then the trim covers that
Right
up.
there.
No water can get through there. Ever. And cut into there. Okay.
Just like that.
So anywhere the glazing touches the wood. Okay.
All four sides, yeah, or all four edges.
And if you come around, the bottom gets the little spacer blocks in there in that groove.
Speaking of which one fell down.
Yeah, I saw that one late, yeah.
Well, I guess as a rule, you want to have the part that you peel away from the slot, because if you put it in the slot,
right,
yeah, it'll just hang up.
If you do this part for trying to get it down into the groove, it'll stick there, and
Gotcha.
you don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Good?
I love it, man. That's good.
I guess if you're installing it, with the walls already up, it'd help too, because that would be at the top. Oh.
There it goes. Sometimes I think that's just because it's
Old tape, maybe.
Yeah.
But trim will cover that and it gets stuck.